Okay, guys, welcome to another weekly market review session. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so as usual, this is not financial advice. Any views, opinions, references, or assertions we may make on our social media is just our own personal views. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the charts. We have come to the end of August. Okay, lots of things to discuss, how the upcoming week can be, how the upcoming month of September can be, as well as we go into a new month, and what we can expect from the markets. Okay, everybody. So we are on our US 500. This is basically the market, the S&P 500. And very simply, I'm on my hourly chart. And what I've drawn here is a nice downtrending line. Okay, you can see a nice yellow line over here. This is my downtrending line for how the markets have been thus far. Okay, so from about the month of August all the way till now, you can see we have been in a very nice downtrend, all right? You can see my highs are here. Okay, we reached several highs over here, okay? And we always come back down, okay? So right now, how are we on the markets? Well, very simple. Number one, I will not be doing any swing longs, all right? Or going long for any swing trades, very simply because trend is your friend. We follow what the overall trend is giving us. And right now, the overall market is still coming down. It's still obeying my yellow downtrend line. So would I be going into swing trades for bullish plays? The answer is definitely not. Okay, I believe in the short term, we are still bearish, having bearish momentum, and that is not going to change. Okay, so very simply, I still believe in the short term, it is bearishness. That is what I see from the charts. And also, my second form of evidence for this is the S&P 500 index seasonality. Okay, so if you look carefully again, guys, for the month of August, again, we come down, it goes sideways, and then towards the end, what happens? Okay, toward the end, what happens? It goes up a little, then there is choppiness that continues. Okay, there is choppiness that continues. So in the month of August over here, will we be going back up? In my opinion, still more to the bearish side. What I can say is that you can expect the choppy part of it, meaning expect the markets to go more sideways, all right, underneath here. Okay. Now, if let's say it does go up, all right, what will make me change my perspective for the short term and become more bullish? I need it to come up, break my downtrend line over here. Okay, this downtrend line, all right, around my 445, all right, around these levels, and also my orange color line. Now, why this line? Because this was the previous high as well. Okay, so if we can break these two levels over here, then I will say that we may have a reversal. Okay, so go and keep a lookout on these guys for the US 500. Draw these lines for yourself too. Okay, draw this downtrend line on your hourly chart, and also draw this orange color horizontal line, okay, for the previous high. If it does break these two, then you will have a possible reversal. But if not, then expect the downtrend to continue. Now, is it going to keep going down and down? Well, like I mentioned, why am I more towards the choppy to the sideways? Because over here, my blue line, you can see, okay, this is a strong support level. And where did this support level continue at? Where did it begin from? It was all the way here. Right? So let me bring this back, show you guys. Okay, so we come back over here, you can see very obvious. We bounce here, and then we had a move up. Okay, we had bounce over here, significant run up on the charts. Okay, so again, this level is a strong level. Every time there is a bounce here, we always end up going higher. Now, here as well, we had a bounce and then we have a significant up movement. Okay, so every time the price hits this support level, okay, it bounces, has a significant price movement or movement up for itself. Okay, so again, where do I expect it, or where is a critical level? Is going to be this level. And coincidentally, guys, this is also my 20 MA level. Okay, this is my 20 MA level on my hourly chart. Okay, this 20 MA is for my weekly. It's on my hourly chart, and you can see it's come down here nicely. Okay, it has been obeying this as well. Okay, so for the short term, this prominent level, support and resistance, happens to also be in line with my 20 MA. So it's a relatively strong level that I'm looking out for. Okay, so if it goes sideways again, if it goes down, then likely down over here. Okay, if again it does go up, then look out to break the orange and downtrend line like I mentioned. All right, so this is how the direction of the markets. Now again, if we look carefully, guys, if we look carefully, let's go to SPY. Okay, the month of September usually aren't very great months. Okay, August and September in particularly. Now, why am I saying this? If you track back, everybody, these are often not the best time. So why do I say this? Well, very simple. Okay, so if we track back to last year September. Okay, last year September, throw on my MA lines as well. Okay, you can see for the month of September, okay, we have this bearish move down. Okay, so every time when it comes to the month of August and September, often bearish month. So if you look over here, this is for the entire month of August and September. Okay, August and September combined, again a major move down. Okay, let's go back further. Okay, let's look over here before the markets went into a major bear market last year. Over here, look at this drop. This was for the month of September. Okay, month of September, we move down. Now, let's go back further. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, over here. So can you see, again, the month of September coming down again. All right, now let's move back even further historically. Okay, so for the month of September, this one a little bit special. Okay, went sideways, then a little bit down. Okay, so it did go down, but mostly sideways. So if I'm taking reference, guys, from the past, from the latest seasonality that the charts are showing me, for the month of September, I do expect either that sideways movement or for it to come down. All right, either that sideways movement or for it to come down. Okay, so that is how I'm seeing the charts, how the S&P 500 is. Okay, another thing is the VIX. Okay, the VIX, which is the volatility index. Okay, so for the VIX, let me take out all my MAs. Okay, and then I go on my hourly. You can see on my hourly, it's still obeying this uptrend line. Okay, previous high is over here. Okay, around here. Okay, so if let's say it does continue back up, breaks over here for myself on the short term, then potential reversal back for the markets. All right, if it breaks my blue line over here, then potential for the markets to go down some more. Okay, if it breaks my orange line over here, all right, because VIX moves opposite to the charts, it breaks my orange line here, then it will move down some more, which means less volatility, which means the markets will go up. Okay, so if it breaks my orange trend line, volatility comes down, markets will go up, more bullish. If it breaks my blue line over here, okay, more volatility, markets are fearful, likely markets will pull back or go sideways somewhere. Okay, so that's where we are on the markets and overall markets. Now, again, for those of y'all who like China stocks, all right, let's take a look at the Hang Seng Index. Okay, I drew this just now on the Hang Seng Index, but very simply, this is my Fibonacci. You can see over here my Fibo. I took the most recent move, and you can see, guys, very nicely, Hang Seng has been holding at my 61.8 level. Okay, this is a critical level on FIBO, my 61.8. It's been holding. You now see a current movement or reversal back up. But again, for me, guys, China stocks, very volatile. I've sold out of my China stock holdings a long time ago. If you are going into this, then be very careful. If not, if it breaks this 61.8, then it may mean a reversal for the China market. Okay, so that's it for this week's weekly market review video. Trade safe, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.